Meaning of draconian.
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 Draconian. The term draconian refers to excessively harsh or severe measures, policies, or laws that are enforced to achieve a specific goal. The word is derived from the name of the ancient Athenian lawmaker, Draco, who introduced strict laws in the 7th century BC. Today, the term is often used to describe measures that are perceived as being overly punitive or oppressive. Draconian measures may be implemented in response to social, economic, or political crises, and they often involve a significant curtailment of individual liberties and freedoms in the name of public safety or security.